Oh yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's not gonna. It's shot across.
You know the muffler's on the bottom here?
Really?
Yeah, right there.
Oh my.
See it? Now watch when we start it. Watch the shoot. Watch the shoot here.
Did you shut it off or did it just stop?
It just stopped. The off switch is down here. Here, I'll show you.
Oh yeah.
See, that's the off switch.
Yeah? Again. Do it again. Hell, I still liked it before when it shot across the yard.
Oh boy, we might have some damage now. Look at the flywheel's cracked. Yeah, well, doesn't hurt it.
Oh!
This towel is getting severely damaged.
What did you even use this towel for? It looks like there's blood stains on it.
That was from grease or something.
Look, it's all stringy in there.
Should we just keep mowing it?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean,
Just try a different mower?
yeah, probably.